When it comes to making money and building wealth, books play a very important role to cultivate the right mindset and inspire to plan for specific actions. Here are the top 5 books on wealth and success which you must read. Book number 1, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is the most popular classic which has inspired countless people to achieve success and fulfill their dreams. Book number 2, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the best personal finance book that explains why rich becomes richer and poor remains poor. Book number 3, The Secrets of the Millionaire's Mind by Harv. This bestseller book will help you to identify your money and success blueprints. Book number 4, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace. Wattles. This is a great classic written 100 years back which teaches you the age-old principles of getting rich. Book number 5, Psychology of Money by Housel. This is the global bestseller which talks about the fact that money isn't necessarily about what you know but how you behave. Reading these books and applying the principles from them, you will soon be on your path to riches.